Today, I'm going to be creating a November currently page in my bullet journal. I want to welcome you all to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. If you have not yet subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And if you find that you enjoyed this video, then remember to hit that like button. All right, let's talk about what we're doing today. Today, I'm going to be doing a fallish, almost Thanksgiving type spread for my November currently spread. For those of you that are new to my channel, I actually do my currently pages in this Archer and Olive notebook. I really enjoy it. It's been fun. Basically, it's like another way for me to express my creativity with stickers because I don't really do it full on Boudreaux style, but we'll see. I don't think we're going to do it today because, I pulled some scrapbook paper, but I pulled the sticker book. Maybe one day we'll do an all pen spread. We'll see. So yeah, our Wrong has some really, really cute Thanksgiving stickers, and she also has some pretty big boxes, which is perfect for what I use my bullet journal for. I think I can still use this because some of these colors aren't really going to clash that heavy with it. So I think I'm going to use this. I haven't used this. I've had this Park Lane like cardstock paper for quite a while. So we have that. We have that. I like that too. That's really pretty. I don't know. I just kind of like the leaves. So I think we're going to do that. And I think I'm just going to do it like at the bottom and the top of the other page. So let's just start with that. I never know which way to tear it to make it look like really cool. But it doesn't matter because anyway I tear it, like I kind of want a more pointy edge at the end. I don't want I want it to get like more narrow at the edge. So I do have a lot of room to play around with on this spread because obviously I only really capture a lot of the more common like currently type prompts. So I don't have a lot. Let me tear this off. So I don't really need like a lot of writing space. And I have been using boxes. It's been making it more fun to use boxes for like decorating purposes. So I think that's pretty good. Let me grab my tape. Right now I'm just using AdTech. I'm not using the archival glue. This is just regular AdTech. I bought the refills and just used this container. Let me put this here. So yeah, I do mainly use a happy planner, but sometimes I do like to change things up with bullet journaling. I have a lot of notebooks. I'm actually going to be doing a notebook planner lineup video. It's not necessarily like brand new notebooks I'll be adding to my lineup for 2024. It's more of just a rundown of all the planners, all the notebooks that I plan on continuing to use in 2024. So yeah. It's like a lot of notebooks that I have currently used for like memory keeping and all different types of memory keeping. I have notebooks for all different types. So yeah, that video should be coming out soon. So definitely be on the lookout for that. That's another reason to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do all the trimming at the end because that is the one thing when you are used to disc bound planners, when you have to trim the edges, it takes a lot of getting used to. Ooh, I like this sticker. Enjoy the journey. That's a good sticker. And I think I'm going to layer it with my other big boxes. There we go. So over here is just where I do general journaling about the month. So I will journal generally about just things that might have happened this month. Ooh, there's a Truly Grateful. Maybe I can do that one. Let's see. That would be interesting for my currently page, what I'm currently grateful for. I like it. see what sometimes just like using a sticker book is giving me all these ideas. All right, let me see. Let me put this sticker, let me put that over here so that way at least you guys can kind of see. So what is so fun about doing these spreads is like I said, because I have so much room, I really can just put stickers everywhere. All right, let me skip from that page and let's do some boxes over here. So over here is where I do what you would think of as your typical currently prompts. So like currently reading, currently watching, currently feeling, how I'm currently feeling, currently planning, things like that. So, and that's the one thing. These are such cute stickers. I don't feel like I'm wasting them because this book is a memory book of sorts. So I don't want one that small. Don't know that I want to bring in the orange. I think I kind of want to keep things a little. Oh, I had another enjoy the journey. I don't want to do that one. Maybe I can do all the feels and then now let me bring in the orange. Let me see what this orange looks like up against it. Might not look that bad. No, I don't think it does. Now I could do these all like, instead of doing these like straight across and up and down, I could do them like angled and stuff like that. But of course now I've already put them down. I really only need one more. Ooh. Oh, it's the same girl. I was looking at this one. I'm like, I can see how I'm currently feeling. But it's the same girl there. I can use her. I have no blue, but that's okay. Now I gotta figure out where to put it. I don't know. Maybe I won't do that. My indecisiveness is coming through. I have one more. I missed this one the first time. We'll just do this one over here. Okay. That should be all I need for the boxes to write in, unless I want another one there. They have like a feels one, like all the feels in like a small box. Or were they just the big ones? I think they're just the big ones. Okay, whatever. All right, let's go to the decorative stuff. I do have prompts that I made for this, so I might just use that. Now, these are going to probably be some of the same girls, but I don't care. They're cute. We're going to use them. Put her there. We'll see if there's any different ones first. Oh, there's Be Grateful. All right, I think we're going to use some of these like little florals too. Let me trim a little bit because I want it right up against the edge. Sorry, I get quiet when I think. Now, I have been enjoying filling this out, but I have to say, I have like, most of the months, I haven't had that much like exciting stuff going on. It's been a pretty routine month. Well, October was pretty, a little bit different because I went on vacation. But for the most part, most of these currently pages, as far as the memory keeping part, has been pretty blah. So I think that's what I'm going to try to change up in in 2024, I'm like, okay, now that I'm keeping these memory journals and these currently pages, I got to make things a little bit more exciting in my life. All right. All right, so I think we only have like a few more that I really need to do. I can do all the feels. Before I put that down, let's see if there's anything else. Put her here because she's on that page. Don't know where to put this. I want to put it somewhere. Maybe I will move this. Right, so we're going to put this one here. And then be grateful I also want to put over here, but I think I want to put it like maybe up here. Okay. We have this pumpkin that we can set right there. All right, so I think that's it. I don't know if I need a small box or something there. Yeah, put this one here. All right, now all I need to do is I need to add my headers, which I found recently. I hope I have enough. I think I do. I think I have one for each one. So we'll say currently reading. Currently watching, because they shouldn't take up much room. Currently thinking about. Currently planning. And currently hoping. All right, the last thing I need to do is add a month. So I need to add November. Let's take them both out. I'm just going to use the black because everything else is, I don't have any gold foil. Let's try to get it semi-straight, Tracy. All right. I'm going to trim off the edges and then we are done. All right, there you have it. There is my currently page for the month of November. Again, I use stickers from Grateful Hearts from Wrong Wrong. And then I did use a little bit of scrapbook paper from this Park Lane Simple Things cardstock. So there we go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, I appreciate if you would consider subscribing to my channel. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.